Today, what I'm going to be doing is taking my new XE5 out for a spin alongside this Konica Hexa. So I've got some Gold 200 film in this camera and I'm going to be using the Gold 200 film recipe. So I'm going to compare the two and see if the recipe looks anything like the real film. And then I'm also going to do my own edits on the photos. I'm going to try to do that before I even get the film back. So it'll be like a true blind test between editing and post with my film emulation profile, the recipe in the camera, straight out of camera JPEG, and then the actual film 35mm scanned with a Noritsu scanner, hopefully. I'm just gonna go around and take some snaps side by side, try to get, fairly similar frames. And yeah, you guys will see the results coming up on the screen. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's start shooting. It's a beautiful day. So we just finished up spending the day with these two cameras, digital and film. Let me know what you guys thought down in the comment section below. What did you prefer? I haven't seen it yet, so yeah, I'm excited to see how it all turns out. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one and see you on the next video. Let's get out of here.